First time around the Rubicon Trail, we came upon a full-size Chevy that had ripped its power steering box off. We got him up, got him off the trail, and right as he's leaving, I asked the guy, hey, do you want a bag to help pick up this dirt and all this contaminated hydraulic fluid you left behind? The guy laughed and left. Hey, you know what? As off-roaders, it's our responsibility to make sure we have the proper equipment with us, not only to fix our vehicles or help rescue our friends or have medical supplies or emergency food, but we need to be able to take care of the environment that we're enjoying with our trucks. And that was the moment in time that I realized that I needed to start carrying a spill kit in my truck and have the ability to collect safely contaminated dirt to be able to take off the trail to dispose of correctly and actually wash a rock. So I got my large 2.5 gallon bag I'm going to start with. I'm going to grab some little smaller Ziploc bags, and I'm going to put my bulk soap in a bag because I got water on the trail and I can always activate water. Just need to be able to put that. So that's going to go into my main bag. Have my spray bottle ready to go. We'll add water to that and mix my cleaning solution. I have my terry towels for helping scrub off the rocks or anything else. I got my very important scrub brush. We're going to clean rocks with this, and that's going to help keep things nice and clean. I am adding a couple pairs of heavy rubber gloves just in case it is extra greasy. And then of course we're going to put a shower curtain liner. Nice little $1.25 shower curtain liner. Why do we need a shower curtain? Well, what it is a shower curtain liner is really what we need. We've blown a hub. We're changing a hub out. We're going to take this 6 foot by 6 foot piece of plastic, pull it out, put it on the ground, and it's going to keep all of our tools where we can see everything. And then most importantly, the gear lube and garbage that's going to come out of the axle is going to go right onto our shower curtain. And that's going to be a nice big generic piece of plastic for if we're doing work, we can put it in there. And then I'm going to include a bunch of zip ties because the shower curtain liner, when it's done, becomes a big disposable bag, and we can put it all together and zip tie it close. So I'm going to add zip ties in there. These are my dirt bags. This is spill kit. We have dirt that's left behind that has oil, transmission fluid in it. We're going to take a Ziploc bag and we're going to pick the dirt up and we're going to put it in the bag. It's very simple. We're just going to take the dirt with us. These are 2.5 gallon Ziploc bags. These are ideal to get. Sometimes we have oil and grease left behind on rocks, and that's where we actually will scrub rocks. The cheapest thing, honestly, and the easiest thing is just get a squirt bottle and have some Dawn dish soap and give yourself just a slight soap mixture using fresh water in your bottle. With that, we're going to have our little scrub brushes. And this is, again, dollar store scrub brush. And if it's on the rocks, we're going to come into it. We're going to spray it with the solution. We're going to let it sit on it for a little bit to let the chemicals, the cleaning agents of the soap start its effect. Use your scrub brush, scrub that rock, and then come in with a towel and wipe that down and try to get as much of the grease and oil behind so we're not leaving it there. Take your rags, take your brush, throw everything into your disposable bag to take it off the trail and toss it. And so that's why you want to have multiple bags with you. I like to have a couple of the small bags as well. Now I'm going to use a drawstring bag. Get a lot of these from events and so forth. Metal Tech has these bags. And I'm going to put it in there. So now on the trail, I know that the orange bag in the back of the truck is the spill kit. We're going to give away 2 of these spill kits to people that comment and subscribe. So if you're subscribed and you comment below, we're going to be picking 2 random winners and then shipping them these spill kits, and we'll put them inside a Metal Tech drawstring bag so you have a nice orange bag in your truck that you know is your spill recovery kit.